Today we'll show you how to engrave a 2D photo onto crystal using a UV crystal engraving machine. First, connect the power and turn on the machine. Connecting to Wi-Fi. Transferring images from a laptop via a web link. Next, take the crystal and measure its length, width, and thickness. Polish the surface if needed, and place it on the work table. Select the flat graphic template and input the crystal dimensions. Please note, the width and height you set must be smaller than the actual measured dimensions of the crystal. Preview the position and make adjustments to ensure proper alignment. Once everything is set, start the engraving process. The machine will engrave the photo inside the crystal with fine detail. Here is the final result: clear, precise, and beautifully finished. If you're looking for a reliable crystal engraving solution, contact us today to learn more.